morning. Good morning. This is Miss Sue here, and I'm going to teach you to do some basic sewing. And I'm using some books here. I'm using this stitching handbook for kids. So if that's something you want to pick up, everything that I'm going to be doing, I'm not photocopying or doing anything like that, but I'm just telling you how to do the things that it says in here. And then also later when we get to machine sewing, we'll be using this book, Sewing Machine Fun for Kids. And there's some really wonderful patterns in here that you'll need to purchase if you decide to do the sewing piece with me. So you should have received a little packet that kind of looks like this, and everything is pinned together, and everything that you've received, it will be yours. You'll notice that there are some embroidery needles, and you'll notice that an embroidery needle has a really large head on it, and that's important when we sew by hand. And then you'll notice that you have some pins. It has everything pinned together. You'll want to leave everything together. You want to be very careful as you're doing this that you don't poke yourself. And then you'll also have something that looks like this. What we're creating today is we are creating a little booklet to keep all of your pins and your needles together. And so the difference between a pin and a needle is that a pin has a head on it and a needle has this type of head where we're able to thread the thread into it. So hopefully you've learned some terms now called pin and needle. The material that we're using, this is soft and it's easy to go through. This is actually a material, but instead of using this type of material, you could actually pick up some felt if you wanted to. The gray is a thicker material, and this is called boiled wool. And if you'll run your fingers across it, you'll notice that it's a lot thicker. And then the back side is actually felt. So you have three types of material that we have here. One is felt, one is boiled wool, and this is actually a fleece material, the yellow is. So you should also have some little